Hi, my name's Kate and welcome to my Onyx 22. I definitely grew up wanting to own my own home. I think most people very much want to have something that's just theirs. I did consider buying established. I was very much priced out of that market in the area that I live in. So building a new house with Homebuyers Centre was a fantastic option for me. The process around building the house with Homebuyers Centre was amazing. Just that flexibility and almost instant answer around what it's going to cost just made it really simple. I didn't have to overthink what I wasn't getting because it's really upfront with what you are getting. Building your own home is a lot of fun. Construction was the best. It was just exciting to see the house unfold in front of your eyes. Comparing it to what it's like today, it's just an amazing journey. So I built the Onyx 22. It is a 4-bedroom double car garage home and a double-storey house. It sits on a 10.5 metre wide block. My favourite part of the house is the living, dining and kitchen. It's just nice and bright and wide. Really nice to have friends and family come over, and you're just really proud to kind of show off what you've achieved. I'd absolutely recommend Homebuyers Centre to anybody that was considering building a home. Not only is the product just really well thought out and well designed, but the quality is phenomenal. It's made me very proud.